I'm going to explain the Duplum Rule in Kenya in 2 minutes. In simple terms, when a loan goes into default, the interest penalties fees can't grow past the principal you owed at the moment of default. So if I borrowed KES 1,000 and defaulted, the most interest and charges I can be asked to pay is KES 1,000. Total cap? KES 2,000. Principal plus capped interest. Where does this come from? Section 44A of the Banking Act. It applies to banks and licensed financial institutions in Kenya. It kicks in when a loan becomes non-performing, over 90 days overdue. After that point, the interest penalties fees stop piling beyond the principal amount at default. Purpose? To stop endless compounding and predatory lending. Courts have backed this up. Mwalimu National Sacco versus Ken K. Muthuri, 2015, total recoverable can't exceed twice the principal. Housing Finance versus Njuguna, 2017, the rule is mandatory, beats contract terms. Margaret and Jerry Mururi versus Bank of Baroda, 2014. It covers all interest and charges after default. Where it applies, banks microfinance deposit-taking SACCOs. Not automatically to informal lenders or Shylocks, unless a court steps in. If I'm a borrower in default, here's what I do. 1. Request a full loan statement, principal, interest, penalties, fees, and confirm the 90-day default date. 1. Calculate the cap. Principal outstanding at default equals the maximum allowed for interest and charges. 1. Write to the lender citing Section 44A and ask them to adjust the account. 1. Use the cap to negotiate or restructure fairly. 1. If they refuse, report to the Central Bank of Kenya or seek court relief. Example: principal KES 500,000. Interest and charges after default can't exceed KES 500,000. Total max KES 1,000. Cautions: this doesn't erase debt. You still owe principal plus capped interest. It only applies after default. Watch out for tactics like capitalizing interest. Always get updated statements and advice. That's the Duplum Rule. Law to life, in under 2 minutes.